Guys, we're working on Astro, Chevy Astro 2004. We are replacing the heat coolant sensor. Took out the old one. Here's the new one. I believe that's the part number. It's the $15 one from O'Reilly's. I know one guy actually made a video where it's located, but how to get it out is a pain. So you go in with one of these, or if you have something that's got the little spinners on here, you can put it right over from the bottom, from underneath, right next to the intake manifold, right between the two spark plugs that you'll see. It'll be driver's side, top. You put this in there and you got to kind of move it back and forth while you're working on that. I will show you the spot.
You mean exhaust manifold, right?
Yes, exhaust manifold, my bad. I will make a quick video over that also and post it on there so you guys could see what the hell's going on in there. What's up? Alright, we are here. Earlier I replaced that guy. So, see if I could get a decent angle using my phone here. So right up in there, next to the exhaust manifold. Jeeper gear correcting me, like always. But if you reach around this way and you come through right about here, you should see it pop up in a second. See where it's coming into? So, see if I could set that down at an angle. This is going to be a terrible video. Go a little higher there. There you go. Damn it. Oh. Can't quite see. Damn it. Okay. Haha, super. You gotta love it. And you can't come through the top, which is the best, because there's just no room. Okay. Then you gotta just fidget it on there a little bit. So, it's right there. So, and then you take the tool, you kind of work your way like this back and forth. It's not fun. This is never fun, especially with all this amazing rain. Either way. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see anything anymore, but this is how I've been doing it. Seeing the damn thing in there about EA4s. Y'all can see.
Oh, is this your coffee?
People stealing my coffee out there.
Is it old?
So I'm just tying it right about until it gets tight. Just kind of play it back and forth. Go like that. And just continue. Damn it. Oh, shit. Either way, you guys get the point. I think that's about damn tight enough. I think. Well, it shouldn't leak. It looks like it's mostly in there. Now I gotta find. Oh shit. Pardon my French. So there's a little guy, right? Oh shit. Jeez. Safety glasses wouldn't have been a bad thing, but I always tend to forget the important stuff. Like me eyes. don't even know if you guys can see anything anymore. Alright, let me see if I can. Right there, my finger. Boom. Trying to get that part on. Okay, hold up now. Seriously.
Come on, Mr. Death Wobble.
Yes.
Wobble your death
Yes.
to the video.
Yes. So what we've done is I've replaced the sensor. A couple other leaks that we've had that I didn't mention in the video. But there were a couple other leaks. So the freeze plug we replaced. I didn't make a video of that. But the sensor's been replaced and it seems like it's working a lot better. So hopefully you guys like the video and you know where it's at. I know there wasn't much about how to take them out. I haven't seen much videos about how to take them out and where they're located. Probably seen one video where they're located. But hopefully it helps you out. Like, subscribe, and share.
And stay tuned.
Yes,
See you guys on the next one.